How to fix Minecraft launcher not opening easy and quick. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft launcher not opening. If you want to fix it, all you need to do, just go to settings and then type here background apps and click on it. Now just you will find it like that. Just turn off all the applications here, or you can just turn off the first options if you want to turn all of those. And after that, go to settings again and go to apps, type here Minecraft and click on it, click advanced options. Now just click this one, terminate, and now just try again and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.